Episode begins with Shaurya asking Shanaya and Sunny where they are taking him. He says that he would have taught a lesson to those poor people. Shanaya tells Shaurya that he did wrong, so he should keep quiet. She notices those people following her. Those people surround the car and ask Shaurya to get off the car. Shanaya tells Sunny that they need proof against those poor people. She notices the CCTV camera. She opens the window and throws money on them. She notices she dropped Shaurya's wallet too. She starts driving the car. Shaurya scolds Shanaya for giving money to those poor people. Shanaya tells him that he destroyed those poor people's houses, so she hopes they don't complain against him. She and Sunny take Shaurya to Luthra house. Nidhi asks what happened to Shaurya. She tells Girish to make cadder for Shaurya. Shanaya goes to the kitchen. Nidhi asks Sunny what happened. Sunny tells everything to Nidhi. Shaurya tells Nidhi that he tried to kill Rajveer. Sunny tells Nidhi that Rajveer was not there. Shanaya returns and gives cadder to Shaurya. Girish comes there and tells Nidhi that police officers came with few people. Rakhi asks the police officer what he is doing there. A police officer asks Luthras to call Shaurya. Shaurya comes there. Poor people tell everything to police officers. Rakhi says that Shaurya is not drunk, and Shaurya did not leave the house. Karina says that poor people must be lying for money. A police officer says that he has to arrest Shaurya. Shaurya tells the police officer that he did nothing. Mahesh says that they will go to the court. A police officer says that he will take Shaurya to the police station. He adds that he is just doing his duty. Shanaya tells the police officer that he can't arrest Shaurya. She says that poor people saw Shaurya's big car and blocked the car and demanded money, but Shaurya refused, so they chased the car. Poor people say that Shanaya is lying. Shanaya asks them whether they have proof to prove Shaurya destroyed their house. A police officer asks Shanaya whether she has proof to prove her claims. Shanaya asks him to check the CCTV camera near the traffic signal. She says that they must have the money that she gave those poor people. Police officer finds money in poor person's pocket. Shanaya says that she gave money in fear because poor people threatened them. A police officer scolds poor people and beats them up. Nidhi thinks that Shanaya played well. Shanaya lies that she was driving the car. Shaurya claims that he is not drunk. Nidhi thinks that cadder worked. Nidhi tells the police officer that poor people should be punished. Police officers take poor people from there. Nidhi says thanks to Shanaya. She says that Shanaya is the perfect daughter-in-law of Luthra house. She asks Sunny to drop Shanaya. Shanaya and Sunny leave from there. Nidhi thinks that Shanaya is a really smart girl. She goes to Shaurya's room. Shaurya tells her that everything is fine. She tells him that Shanaya helped them. He tells her he is not interested in Shanaya. She asks him whether he is interested in Palki. He tells her he hates Palki. The next day, Karan gets happy seeing Preeta. Palki's family comes there. Rakhi tells Palki and Shanaya to see everything because they have to manage everything in the future. Nidhi comes there and greets Shanaya. Dadi tells everyone to sit. Karan tells Mahesh that he is going to tell his decision to Preeta. Rakhi asks Karan to not talk about the past to Preeta. Karan leaves from there. Nidhi gets angry seeing this. She thinks that she hates Preeta.